So recently, Google launched a new add-on integration with Google Calendar, and it allows you to incorporate other conferencing options besides the Google Meet built-in conferencing tools. And this is handy if you use a third-party conferencing software. So I wanted to take a quick look at how to enable those in your calendar. At Newmind, we do use Uber Conference in addition to Google Meet. So what I would do here to enable Uber Conference is I would go to my calendar and click on the Get Add-ons option on the right-hand side. These are all the options currently available within the updated Google Calendar add-on, and they will likely continue to add more. Here I would choose Uber Conference as it's the option I'm looking for and install it. That'll give me a few prompts within the screens here to validate my account. So I'm going to go through the process of enabling this. You may see, if you're enabling it for the first time, some additional prompts about hopping over to uberconference.com to authorize your account. Since I've done that once already, it's already completed the install here. So we're going to click Done and close the option. And now let's say I wanted to add an additional event with enabling Uber Conference as my conferencing tool. I'm going to click here, say Wednesday at 9. Give the option, choose more options here. And when I click on Add Conference, it gives me two options. Again, the default Hangouts Meet or the built-in Hangouts Meet option, and then Uber Conference as well. I'm going to click on Uber Conference, and it prompts me to authorize. It's going to pop up that window to have me authorize my Uber Conference account. And the permissions Google is asking for or is granting of Uber Conference is run as a calendar add-on and connect to an external service. Going to go ahead and click allow there. And now I see that my Uber Conference number and PIN and the link are going to be included instead of the Hangouts option. Any other information I need to populate here about calling in or when the call will be active, things of that nature. Can invite my guests, same as any other calendaring option in Google, and we're going to go ahead and save it. So now if I click on this event, I see the Uber Conference information here, whereas a different event, let's see, I create a secondary event and enable Hangouts Meet there. So I'll see for this one, I have my Uber Conference information available, and for this one, I have my Hangouts Meet information enabled. So in this case, it's a pretty simple add-on. Again, use it if you need it. If you don't currently use Uber Conference or RingCentral or something like that, you don't need to worry about it, but it is available if that's something that you are looking for.